Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this demonstration is going to be on an Akai CR81D. I've mentioned before that this is one of my favorite decks as far as cosmetics go. That thing is a really cool looking sharp deck. This is from, well, this customer has such a rare and distinctive first name that just saying his first name might be violating his privacy, so I'll just say his initials. This comes from AS in Lakeville, Pennsylvania. It's an Akai CR81D, and we're just putting it through a quick test, make sure everything works before we send her back out. So we've got some Bonanza guitars on deck. Let's plug them in. And we'll bring our output level meters into the picture and make sure that we've got both speakers working. I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. There we are, and as is the case with most recording decks, even though it says left volume and right volume, these are just the recording level controls. They don't affect the volume on playback. So you can see we've got both VU meters working. We've got output on all speakers. Everything's cool. Track change is working just fine. And so we're good to go. I apologize for such a short test. There's just not that much to test on a unit of this nature. So I will get on out of here and get to my pizza. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use, even ones out of arcade games, they did some weird stuff with the 8-track transport, so I do get arcade games, little black boxes out of arcade games as well. You can send those to me. My number is 928-533-9666. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, digital capability now, automatic station scan, aux input. There's almost no end to what I can do to your vintage electronic stuff. So my website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.